Hello, we at BridgeApps have built a capability showcase around BIAN with a reference implementation that we will showcase in this video here. This is fully built using open source technologies following microservices architecture principles. We will be considering few BIAN APIs to showcase how a typical implementation of BIAN API looks, which includes using few industry standard tooling for building an end-to-end use case. Let's look at a typical cross-sell use case where an existing customer to bank is offered alternative products implemented as a workflow. In this use case, all round boxes are microservices implementing BIAN APIs, and there are simulated applications showing the use case functionality. Bank application portals are here, and then there are tech portals, which is track the NFRs, followed by BIAN API Swagger documentation. First, let's see the demo. Let's go through the product portal, where all products are defined. In this context, there are two products configured. These products are conditionally available to the user based on their credit rating. Next, when a customer of the bank logs into the customer portal, they are authenticated based on the initial registration, which is part of BIAN session initiation. The customer sees the offers available for them, based on the credit rating that is gathered by a BIAN API-enabled microservice, ensuring only applicable products are shown. User chooses product and fills the form for applying to these products, and then the user is presented with the list of documents to upload, all coming from the product master system. The user uploads respective documents as requested. The documents are all submitted completing the application form in entirety. In an open banking scenario, these documents might not be needed as the user verification might come using an open banking API implementation. Once the user has submitted their application, the completed application is visible on the sales portal. The sales team has now received a new application in a customer-to-bank scenario, a massive improvement on cross-selling products to existing customers. All the uploaded documents are also visible in the document management system, a central store for all documentation. Our monitoring dashboard is built using Grafana, an industry-standard open-source dashboarding tooling. We can observe the list of APIs invoked and their response times, details of the request and response sizes. The purpose of this dashboard would be to observe the performance and throughput of different APIs, and could be used to compare against the existing APIs or system performance. We have added this dashboard to showcase capability and would be different in each bank or financial organization, where a different tool might be used. The next tool is Jaeger, which we have used to trace the APIs that are hosted in the Kraken D API gateway. Using this tool helps to understand the flow of API calls that have been executed in the entire BIAN implementation journey. Again, another industry standard tooling which showcases API tracing tooling. We can observe each of the BIAN APIs and their call stack, for example the document management APIs, and their call traces. Finally, let's look at the generated Swagger documentation for BIAN APIs for e.g. the customer management APIs, wherein one can observe the details data schemas that are involved. In similar lines, let's consider another, the sales APIs, which shows how a customer offer ends up with the sales team, or a party API, which allows to retrieve details of a specific user. If you wish to discuss this reference implementation further, or wish to build a similar reference implementation in your organization's technology stack, then contact us at BridgeApps.